everybody, welcome back to All About Phoenicia. Today's video is going to be this t-shirt that I'm doing for all you January queens. So if you want to know how to make a t-shirt, an iron-on t-shirt, watch the video. It's quick and simple. Okay, you have to have Cricut or you can have a Silhouette, or you can have whatever die cutting machine you want. But I'm using a Cricut, and I'm using a Cricut Explorer, and I am on Design Space. So I picked the file that was downloaded on my computer, and I am going to put it on Design Space. So there's the file, and then I am going to hit Insert Image, and it's going to go on the canvas on Design Space. So whenever you post the image like that, it comes out to be big, but I am going to pull up an image of a t-shirt, and so it's going to be a template that I can use to measure it so it won't be so big. So those are the background is the images of the templates that you can use. And basically what that message said was that these are just templates. It will not print out on your outcome of your image. So right now I'm resizing it right now, and I just going to make sure that it fits right for that particular shirt. So what I did right here was I duplicated it because I want to get the lips off. I'm going to do the lips separate. I feel like because it's all one color that it will not blend in well. I want to do the letters all gold, so it will not look good if I have the lips going through January, because you will not be able to see it. So I had to duplicate it and then take the lips off, and it took me a while to play with it because I'm still not familiar with how to like take images off and add them on and all that kind of stuff right now. So I duplicated it, and then I don't know what else I was doing right here, but I was duplicating it to take the words and stuff off, and just to have the lips separate from the words, if you get what I'm saying. Mom. So as you can see right here, the lips are separate. So I have to pull the words back up so that those can be separate from the words.
That's not right.
And there you go. So right here I am ready to make my image. So I just wanted to see how wide it was and how long it was to make sure that I had enough vinyl to be able to cover that portion of it. So I actually had to resize it. I had it a little bit too big, so I resized it, and there are the lips right there. So when you are doing iron-on, of course, I know you heard this a billion times, but sometimes you could be in the zone when you're working on these projects, and you tend to forget that you were to turn your image mirror on, and you were to turn your vinyl on the wrong side, or on the shiny side facing the matte. So make sure you do that when you're doing iron-on, because you will totally mess up your image if you do it another way. Okay, so it looks like I have everything together, and I am changing my Cricut dial to custom, because I have glitter vinyl, and glitter vinyl is very thick. Well, this particular one that I have is very thick, because some of it is not, but it's very, very thick. So I wanted to cut not like regular vinyl. Regular vinyl doesn't cut as deep as glitter vinyl, because you know that glitter vinyl is a little thicker. So you need to change it to custom and glitter vinyl so that it can be able to cut it properly. And so now I am going to, it's ready. When the C is blinking, then you know it is ready. And so what I'm going to do is put the mat in there, and I am going to start the machine. And so what I'm going to do is fast forward a little bit. You don't need to see this portion, but I am just letting the image cut.
Never tap.
Okay, so now that I took out all the miscellaneous pieces off and weeded the letters out, that was the outcome. And so I centered it on the shirt. And so that goes to show as far as what I meant by using the mirror image, because if you use the other image, it prints up on top rather than on the bottom like that. That coating, that sheet that's on the clear tape, the clear sheet that's on the top is for you to press on. And so if you are doing regular vinyl, you would be doing it wrong. So I put a piece of parchment paper on it because they really said that you're not supposed to decorate these shirts, but of course I don't read and adhere to directions, of course. So I actually just put a piece of parchment paper over it and hope for the best. So you see I have the temperature on my heat press for 315. I mean my easy press for 315 for 30 seconds. And I did it like 4 or 5 times just all around the whole t-shirt to make sure that it adheres correctly. So I'm not going to spend my time on that. I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up.
Mommy.
So this is the outcome of the t-shirt without the lips on it because I had a little issue to where I didn't have the lips on there because I accidentally ironed it on. So there's the outcome without the lips, but I'm going to show you a picture